Thank you so much for inviting me to join the program. I find it really, really enlightening. I learned a lot. I think the process of developing critical thinking is something I never thought of, and I'm definitely going to apply it in my daily decision-making process. And I would encourage my staff to participate in this program as well.
Well, I think it's a good reflection about the overall problem-solving journey. To look at it from a more holistic manner that you put together, I think is enlightening. It also brings out certain, I would say, key concepts that we just took for granted.
I really enjoyed the session today, and I thought personally that the basis of rational and clear thought is very, very appealing. It allows people with different interests or different perspectives to see things the same way and reach solutions that are the right ones. Attending today's session, I realized there's so much more depth to discover.
I think it has to be the part about the PA or the problem analysis standpoint. Because I think that is where we talk about how do we cut a problem down into smaller bite-sized in terms of, looking for distinctions, the is not. That, I think, is the most important, because once you have the right problem statement, not only we will have the right people that will work on the problem, but it also make it more efficient and effective.